Friends, in continuation of the first video, this is the second video, and here we are going to start with G-A. We are going to take the consonant G and we are going to take the vowel A, and then we are going to make 3 or 6 different kinds of words. Now the first one is Ganesh. The second one is garland. The first one is Ganesh. The second one is Ganga River. The third one is garlic. The fourth one is garland. The fifth one is gate. And the sixth one is game. I'm going to write it on the board for you, and then I'm going to frame sentences for these words. Here we have taken G-A. Here we have written Ganesh, Ganga River. Then we have garlic, and here we have garland. The next one is gate, game. Now we'll have to frame sentences for these. Number 1, Ganesh is my best friend. Second one, the Ganga River is the longest river. Third one, garlic is good for health. Fourth one, garlands are used in functions. Fifth one, please open the gate. Sixth one, let's play a game. I'll just read it out once again for you. The first one is Ganesh. The second one is Ganga River. Third one, garlic. Fourth one, garland. Fifth one, gate. Sixth one, game. So these pronounces almost similar to this. This pronounces similar to this, and this pronounces similar to this. Ganesh, Ganga River. Garlic, garland. Gate, game. Now we have made sentences for that. Ganesh is my best friend. The Ganga River is the longest river. Garlic is good for health. Garlands are used in functions. Please open the gate. Let's play a game. Now let's take the next one. The next one is H and A. Here we have halwa, and here we have hall, halt. Here we have hair, and here we have hate. Okay. Now let's take the first one. Halwa is a tasty sweet. Next, the principal entered the hall. Please halt and proceed. Fourth one, she has long hair. Fifth one, we hate liars. I'll read it out once again for you. Halwa. Halwa is a tasty sweet. Hall, halt. The principal entered the hall. Halt. Please halt and proceed. Next we have hair, hate. She has long hair. Hate. We hate liars. Let's go to the next one. The next one is J-A. Javelin, Jalaja. Then we have Jasmine, Ja, Jail, Jane. This is J-A. Javelin, Jalaja. Jasmine, Jar. Jail, Jane. Now let's make sentences. First one. He can throw the javelin very far. Second one, Jalaja goes to college. Third one, Jasmine has a beautiful smell. Fourth one, pickles are put in a jar. Fifth one, he was sent to the jail. Sixth one, I visited the Jain temple. Okay, let's revise it once again. We are using the consonant J and we are using the vowel A. Javelin, Jalaja. Jasmine, Jar. Jail, Jane. The sentences for these 6 words. He can throw the javelin very far. Jalaja goes to college. Jasmine has a beautiful smell. Pickles are put in a jar. He was sent to the jail. I visited the Jain temple. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is K and A. Kannada, Kamala. Then we have Kakatiya and we have Kalidas. For these 4 words we are going to make 4 sentences. Kannada is the language of Karnataka. Second one, Kamala weds Mohan. Third one, Kakatiya rulers ruled Warangal. Fourth one, Kalidas is a famous poet. Here we have used the consonant K and the vowel A. Kannada, Kamala. Kakatiya, Kalidas. Sentences for that. Kannada is the language of Karnataka. Kamala weds Mohan. Kakatiya rulers ruled Warangal. Fourth one, Kalidas is a famous poet. In my next video, we are going to learn some more words. I want you to please observe the pronunciation, observe the different sounds we are producing. For here we have seen soft sound, here we have some hard sound. Here it is a different sound. Javelin, Jalaja. Jasmine, Jar. Jail, Jane. So with these two consonants we are producing different sounds, isn't it? So you must observe those sounds and pronounce those words correctly, and you have to learn the spellings correctly, and you should also learn how to write the sentences.